coming in from Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who has hit back at Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan's letter accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of neglecting farmers. Atishi has slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming their track record with farmers is dismal. In a sharp rebuke, she drew a dramatic analogy, saying BJP's concern for farmers is akin to Dawood Ibrahim advocating non-violence. The fiery exchange underscores the high-stakes battle ahead of the Delhi elections. Let's go back to Tejshri, my colleague, who had first accessed this letter by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Union Minister, and now a reaction that has come from the Delhi Chief Minister. What kind of a response is it? Many would ask, because it is a fact that several central schemes are not being implemented in the national capital.
Well, you see, now this is a fresh war of words that has erupted between the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. First of all, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan wrote to Atishi and in fact questioned the way in which Aam Aadmi Party has been working for the farmers, and not just that, but have also accused Aam Aadmi Party for not implementing the yojnas that centre had introduced for the farmers. Now we have just got to manage a response from Aam Aadmi Party's from the Chief Minister of Delhi and Atishi, who has in fact stated that who has in fact compared that BJP talking about farmers is something like the Dawood Ibrahim. We are preaching non-violence to Dawood Ibrahim. So she has drawn a very sharp line, and in fact it is a very sharp attack that is coming from Chief Minister Atishi to the BJP, or we can say particularly Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And not just that, but Atishi has also in fact asked several questions to the BJP, and in fact have also stated that it is the BJP regime in which the farmers have suffered a lot. However, she has also reminded the BJP about the farmers' protest that took place quite few weeks back, in which the tear gas shells were fired on the farmers. And not just that, but she also indirectly mentioned about those farmers who have been sitting on hunger strike at Punjab, Haryana, at Delhi-Punjab border. So now, yes, we'll have to see that certainly this is a massive political war of words in between Union Minister and the Chief Minister of Delhi. However, yesterday we saw that there was a letter war between the Delhi LG and the Delhi Chief Minister. Now it is between the Union Agriculture Minister and the Delhi Chief Minister as well. So now we'll have to see that how, BJP responds to the kind of sharp statements or the sharp attack that the Chief Minister has made on the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and have responded to the letter as well. And also it will be interesting to see so as to how allies will be responding, because you see not just the BJP but Congress and left parties have also been attacking Aam Aadmi Party for the schemes that they have been implementing.
All right, Tejshri, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. Of course, that's